What is up, everybody? Josh Quinones here with Everything Android, and today is the day the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus are finally here. Yes, and I know, they look so much like the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus of last year with a few minor differences. But you know, it's like I said in my past video, what Samsung is basically saying here, if it ain't broke, why fix it, right? Because the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus are still beautiful devices. So there really is no need to make any major changes except for what they did with these Galaxy S9, S9 Plus. They basically perfected what the S8 and S8 Plus should have been. So the S9 will come with a 5.8-inch display. The S9 Plus will come with a 6.2-inch display. Both will still have Super AMOLED high resolution displays and still have that beautiful curved edge infinity display. So everything is still pretty much placed in the same spot, such as the charging port, the headphone jack. Yes, we still get the headphone jack, speakers and buttons, but one of the changes is the fingerprint sensor has been moved, which is obvious just by looking at the back of the device. It is no longer on the side of the camera. They have moved it to the bottom of the camera. And another change is we are actually going to get stereo speakers with this device. Their earpiece will work as a speaker along with the bottom speaker, which is going to be awesome. It's going to be a whole new experience for Samsung devices if they implement this into new Samsung devices coming out. But yes, we finally get stereo speakers on this. So when watching videos, it's just going to be a whole new, better experience when watching videos or playing music or whatever it is you're doing that involves having to use the speakers. Now, these phones are also going to come with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor. The S9 will have 4 gigabytes of RAM and a 3000 milliamp battery, while the S9 Plus will have 6 gigabytes of RAM and a 3500 milliamp battery. But they say it is supposed to last a lot longer than what the S8 and S8 Plus does. So both will have fast charging and fast wireless charging. Both are also IP68 water and dust resistant, and both also come with 64 gigabytes of storage along with micro SD card support. But the biggest difference in these devices are the cameras. Although the S9 will still come with the 12 megapixel camera, the S9 will have the single 12 megapixel camera, but with next generation dual pixel autofocus. So the autofocus on both of these devices actually are supposed to be even faster than what they are on the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. It is supposed to be very, very snappy. On the S9 Plus, we will have the dual camera setup with a wide angle lens and a telephoto lens, kind of like what we see on the Galaxy Note 8. Now, both will feature super slow-mo at 960 frames per second at 720p. Now, that is insane. You can get a lot of good stuff at super slow-mo speed. So I cannot wait to try this camera out and see what it's all about. See how good the quality is in the photos and in the videos. And I am super excited for this device. I cannot wait to pre-order it. Pre-orders will be on March 2nd. So what do you guys think about this device so far? First impressions, let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. I would love to know your first impressions, what you think of this device. Are you excited for it? Are you going to pre-order it? Or are you maybe just going to stick with the S8 and S8 Plus? Because if you are planning on buying the S8 and S8 Plus the year of 2018, that is not a bad move at all, because they are still beautiful devices. And once the S9 and S9 Plus actually release, I'm sure there's going to be huge deals on the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. But you guys let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. I'd love to know. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. Turn on post notifications to keep up with more videos to come. I cannot wait to get this phone in hands. You guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones with Everything Android, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.